Hello and welcome to KSG Bulletin. Here are the important news updates. HCNG allowed as alternative clean fuel. Union Road Transport and Highway Ministry has notified hydrogen-enriched compressed natural gas as an automobile fuel on September 28, 2020. An ideal blend of 18% hydrogen and CNG can be used as automotive fuel after compression. This can lower emissions and promote green fuel for automobiles in the country. It can also reduce carbon monoxide emissions by 70%. Moving on to the next, evidence of virus-eating microorganisms. Scientists have found the first compelling evidence that two groups of ecologically important marine microorganisms could be eating viruses, catching their prey and engulfing them, an advance that may lead to a better understanding of the flow of organic matter in the oceans. The findings, published in the journal Frontiers in Microbiology, go against the currently predominant views of the role of both viruses and these groups of single-celled organisms called protists in the marine food webs. Next is, RBI postpones MPC meet. The Reserve Bank of India on September 28, 2020 announced that the Mandatory Policy Committee meet, which has to be held on September 29th, has been rescheduled. The new date of the MPC meet will be around soon. However, the central bank did not give any reason for rescheduling the meet. Borrowing limit under MSF enhanced. Amid the ongoing economic woes created by the coronavirus pandemic, the Reserve Bank has decided to extend by 6 months the enhanced borrowing facility provided to banks to meet the liquidity shortage till March 31st, 2021. The RBI, as a temporary measure, has increased the borrowing limit for scheduled banks under the Marginal Standing Facility (MSF) scheme for 2% to 3% to their net demand and time liabilities (NDTL) with effect from March 27, 2020. For more details and information, please visit ksgindia.com. On our website, you will get organized daily updates in concise and exam-oriented way, informative editorial of the day focusing on current issues, fortnightly gist of the important news. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned.